Is your Audi key fob not working, displaying an open case error, or failing to unlock your doors? A dead battery is the most likely culprit. This video will guide you through replacing it yourself. First, confirm you have a CR2032 3-volt lithium coin battery. These are widely available for around $2 to $5. You'll also need a small flathead screwdriver or plastic pry tool, a microfiber cloth to protect the fob, and optionally, gloves to prevent fingerprints. Knowing your Audi model year, e.g. 2015 plus A4, is helpful, as some models have specific battery orientations. Gather your tools and battery, and let's get started. Gently pry open the key fob casing using your tool, starting at the keyring end. Avoid forcing it to prevent damage. Once open, remove the old CR232 battery, noting the positive side's orientation. Insert the new battery, ensuring it's securely clipped in. Reassemble the casing, aligning the seams and pressing firmly until it clicks shut. Test the fob near your Audi. If it still doesn't work, try these troubleshooting steps. 1. Wait 5 to 10 minutes for internal capacitors to reset. 2. Clean the battery contacts with isopropyl alcohol if there's corrosion. 3. If problems persist, consult your Audi manual or a professional, as reprogramming via Audi Connect may be needed. Remember, improper reassembly can damage the RFID chip, so proceed carefully.